Today we're going to explore how tiny parts inside our cells like telomeres and mitochondria play a huge role in our overall well-being, especially when life throws curveballs our way. Let's start with telomeres, repetitive DNA sequences at the ends of our chromosomes. Think of them as the plastic tips on shoelaces, protecting our genetic data during cell division. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter, a process called telomere shortening. Over time, this shortening signals cells to age and eventually stop dividing, leading to what we call cellular aging. When telomeres become too short or dysfunctional, it's associated with various health issues, including neuropsychiatric conditions like depression, anxiety disorders, and even schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. Interestingly, early adversity like childhood socioeconomic hardship or traumatic experiences can accelerate telomere shortening, possibly setting the stage for mental health challenges later in life. Our cells have another tiny powerhouse, mitochondria. These are the energy factories producing ATP, the fuel our cells need to do everything from muscle contractions to brain activity. Mitochondria do more than just energy production. They're involved in neurotransmitter synthesis, ion transport, and even neural differentiation and synaptic plasticity, which are essential for learning and memory. However, mitochondria are also prone to wear and tear. They generate reactive oxygen species. Think of them as cellular exhausts that can cause oxidative stress and damage mitochondrial DNA. Over time, mutations accumulate in mitochondrial DNA, impairing mitochondrial function and leading to mitochondrial dysfunction. This can result in decreased mitochondrial respiration, reduced ATP production, and compromised neural activity. Such mitochondrial issues are linked to a host of problems, including neuropsychiatric disorders, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and even inflammatory conditions like obesity. How do these tiny cellular changes relate to our stress levels? Stress exposure, especially chronic stress or glucocorticoid exposure, can influence both telomere length and mitochondrial health. Elevated stress hormones can promote inflammation and oxidative stress, further damaging mitochondria and accelerating telomere shortening. All these cellular processes, telomere maintenance, mitochondrial health, and the body's response to stress interact in complex ways, influencing aging, disease risk, and mental health. So in summary, from tiny DNA sequences at chromosome to the energy engines powering our brain cells, cells are constantly aging and adapting. Thanks for joining this whirlwind tour of cellular life. When life gets tough, our cells are busy working behind the scenes to keep us going.